ROBMAN 30 is designed for indoor delivery environment which embedded ARON high-resolution SLAM engine for navigation and position. The laser and 3D camera bring better capacity for the robot of obstacle avoidance. The sensor bar around the robot will detecting and stop the robot when collision occurred. It is for the realization of various indoor venues such as office buildings, hotels, communities, government halls, nursing homes, etc. It was born for the efficient delivery of demand. It has smart and efficient scheduling system and high-quality movement performance, which can adapt to various complex and ultra-large scenarios, reduce labor costs, optimize distribution efficiency, and bring extreme safe delivery experience to users. ARON ROBMAN 30 comes in two different product structures, one for handling and commercial, and other suitable for delivery in restaurant, office, and hospitals.